Now, if StarRupture here is crashing at startup, well, there are a few things that you may want to do here. Now, the thing is, StarRupture here, it's a fairly new game that's gaining some popularity right now. But then again, sometimes it may not work properly, so there are a few things that you may want to guarantee before start playing here. So first things first is you want to guarantee that everything is up to date, especially your PC, your Windows PC, or your GPU. Now, first things first is you want to update your GPU. So you want to guarantee that whatever GPU you currently have is has a running so say a software for it, and also you want to make sure that it's actually properly updated. So in my case, I have NVIDIA GPU, so typically I just need to open up the NVIDIA app. So let's go and just open up the NVIDIA app. And again, if you don't have a driver for your GPU yet, I would highly recommend you to install it first, because your driver will not work properly if you don't or your games will not work properly if you don't have this installed. But yeah, in this case, in here you want to go to drivers, and you want to just basically click on download here to update your GPU. Now, once your GPU is updated, what you could do is you want to guarantee that Windows is now updated. So you want to just go to your search here, just type in update, and you want to look for check for updates. And in here, you want to go ahead and just click on the check for updates option. Now, if there are any updates, I would recommend you to install those. And once installation is complete, you can go and just restart your PC, and that would solve your issue. But if not, and still getting an error message as well, the next thing that you want to do is you want to guarantee that the following files are actually installed inside your PC. Now, so some games require you to install certain things. So yeah, in this case, you want to look for Microsoft Visual C++, redistributable. And in here, again, you just need to type this in Google, and just look for Microsoft Learn here. Latest supported Visual C++ redistributable downloads. Go and just open it up. Now, in here, what you need to do is you want to go just scroll down a bit here, look for the supported distributable version. Go and just look for x86. Go and just download the .exe file for it. Now, go ahead and just open it up once it's actually downloaded, and you just need to follow the on-screen steps here in order for it to install it. Now, once you've agreed to a few things here, click on install. You should be able to restart your PC, and that would make the game start working again. Now, that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.